This is going to be the best video you see on increasing lifetime value on your customers. So if you own an e-commerce store or a dropshipping store, or if you're just about to do one, this is the video for you because you're going to get free extra money on top of the people who already buy from you. In this video, we're not going to cover email or SMS marketing. You probably already heard about that and it's a little bit more basic. Here we're going to tackle the advanced tactics nobody talks about on YouTube. This is going to be crucial if you want to increase your average order value and your lifetime customer value. Trick number one is having post-purchase retargeting. Nobody does this and nobody retargets the people on Facebook who already bought from them. What you do is you basically select the people who bought in the last 7 days and retarget them on Facebook by saying they're gonna get a discount code if they buy it again and welcome them into the community. So normally the best videos which work are the ones which a person talks straight into the camera and says, "Thank you for joining our community. As a little thank you gift, we're gonna give you a discount off your next order. And again, welcome. If you need anything, just text us here, And they're super welcoming, okay? So it works the best if it's actually a brand representative. So it's either the owner of the brand or an influencer who basically looks like the owner or is representing the brand, and they directly talk into the camera and it works really well. So trick number two is having upsells and bundles on your product page. I've actually made a video where I'm talking about how I lost $350,000 with a couple of mistakes I've did in the beginning of my e-commerce journey. And that's not just a number I've pulled out of my ass, that's a real number, okay? I've actually lost that money. One big part of it is the upsell structure I did not have in place. However, let me talk about upsells and the structure I'm always using and which works the best. Number one, you need to have some kind of quantity breaks or some kind of bundle app on your product page. Basically, I'm always using Bundle Bear. That's by far the best app I've found, and it's working wonders in converting people to, instead of buying one product, to actually buy 2 or 3. So how it works is you're gonna have a drop down, and there you're gonna have the option to select 2 products, 1 product, or 3 products, or even 4, 5, 6 products, whatever it is. And there you're gonna give a strong incentive on buying multiple. For example, if somebody buys 2, they're gonna get a 20% discount. If somebody buys 3, it's gonna be 25%, and if it's gonna be 4 plus, it's gonna be 30%. That's a lot of money people can save, and it also is a really good deal. So if you give that strong incentive to buy 2 or 3, you're still gonna make more money. Even though they have that discount, even though they have like even the 30% discount, if they buy 4 pieces, you're gonna make way more money out of them. So having that is crucial, and if you're not doing that, you're losing out on money. Also, do pre-purchase and post-purchase upsells. Those 2 things are also extremely important, and again, you're just leaving money on the table if you don't implement them. You can use apps like Honeycomb Upsells that actually works really well with Bundle Beers together because it's from the same company. And you have a pre-purchase upsell, which is either gonna be the same exact product, which is working extremely well, or you're gonna have some kind of complementary product, or you're just gonna use a mystery box. So a mystery box is basically a box which you don't actually reveal to the people. You basically say, this product is actually valued on $30, however, right now we're gonna give it to you for $19. And trust me, you need this box, it's gonna be perfect for your other product. You just need it, 75% of our customers buy it, trust me, it's gonna be worth it. And that also works really well. So that mystery box is one way. The other way is just having a complementary product. And the third way is having the exact same product discounted. So if you select that last way, if you select the way of having the same product discounted, then you can also have that same thing on the post-purchase upsell and have it discounted even more. So then you always have to justify why you discount it so much, and that works really well also. And then after you have that post-purchase upsell, which is going to be even cheaper than the pre-purchase one, you have a post-purchase downsell, which is going to be even cheaper. And there you basically say, look, trust me, you're gonna want 2 or 3 of the product because so many of our customers buy multiple and they're extremely happy. We're very confident in our product, and that's why we're doing this discount option. You're never gonna find a better deal than this. This is by far the best thing you're gonna get. And it also converts really well. And by the way, you can also do that for all the other options. So for the mystery box and complementary product, you can always have the pre-purchase upsell and the post-purchase upsell the same, but just go down on the price always, okay? So the last thing I want to talk about here is shipping options. Almost nobody on YouTube talks about this. Also, out of all the stores I'm looking at, I only see around 2% of them actually implementing this. This is making you extra free money again, and it works like crazy. The basic mistake everybody's doing is that they have only one shipping option. They have either a free shipping or a shipping which costs like $3.99 or $5.99 or whatever it is, and you only have that option to choose from, okay? So that's a big mistake, because you can make extra money off that, which is almost free money again. So what you can do is, for example, a lifetime warranty. You can charge $10 for a lifetime warranty of your product. You just say one option is going to be free shipping, free secured shipping. One is going to be secured shipping with lifetime warranty. And that basically means that you're going to give like extra customer support, extra refunds if it doesn't, like if the product breaks, etc. And you can charge $10 for it. And normally people don't want a refund or you to send them the product again because the product is decent. And then also what you can do is have some kind of extra gift. So for example, you say secured shipping with extra bonus or with extra gift, with secret gift, something like that. And you can say, you don't even have to mention what it is, but you can say that it's basically highly recommended, etc. And that also works really well. And you can price it as high as you want. You can price it for $5, you can say $15, because people don't even know what the gift is, but the gift can be perceived as whatever you want. That works especially well if you mention it somewhere on the pre-purchase upsell and on the product page as well. So for example, what you can say is look out for the gift you're gonna see later on, or look out for the secret gift you're gonna see in the shipping settings, something like that, just to plant the seed of that gift even existing, and then they're gonna expect that, and then they're gonna wait for that, and then they're actually gonna be relieved when they see it, and then they can even purchase that. These things really help. They can increase the lifetime value and also the average order value of every single customer. And if you don't do this, you lose money. If you're just starting out, I would highly recommend using all of these tricks as well, because if you're in the beginning, just do that and you're gonna have a higher average order value, which is gonna allow you to spend more money on Facebook. And also, if you have a scaled up store, this is gonna be one of the easiest things you can implement. I would highly recommend doing that as well. So, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna give you a lot more value here as well. Also, if you're interested in talking to me personally one-on-one, right now I'm actually doing free consultation sessions, which are one-on-one. And if you have any questions, if you have anything to discuss, if you want me to look over your store, I can actually do that for free. Also in the call, we're gonna find out if you are actually a good fit for our program. And if you are, we're gonna start working together long-term and basically build a brand together. So if you're interested in something like that, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session with me personally, and then hopefully see you there. So either see you there or in the next video, see you then. Bye-bye.